Hey, what if I told you could create an entire stunning UI using nothing but free AI tools, a screenshot, and free prompts? Well, that's exactly what I did. And today on Buzz AI, I'm going to walk you through how I transform a design I like into a fully editable code ready UI without writing a single line of code. Let's dive in. The part two, building a stunning UI with AI. No code, no cost. First, I found a UI I loved. In my case, it was an AI image generator tool, Picloma. The look and feel of their interface really stood out to me. Clean, modern, and well structured. So I took a screenshot of their main screen. Step two, generate the UI prompt with ChatGPT. I opened up ChatGPT and pasted that screenshot into the chat. I asked it to generate a prompt to replicate this UI layout. The model responded with detailed breakdown, and from that, it started constructing the entire UI structure based on the image. Step 3, customize with Stitch by Google. Once I had a code layout, I jumped into Stitch by Google. This tool is a game changer. I pasted a chat generated code and swapped out their branding with my own logo, my own color, and my own style. Now, even though the layout was inspired by Picloma, the final design, look, and feel entirely unique, like something built just for Bass AI. The fourth, edit and export UI with Figma. Here is where it gets even cooler. I took the screenshot of custom UI from Stitch and imported into the Figma. From there, I used Figma to code converter to generate production ready UI code. With Figma, I can fine tune every detail, the change, color, spacing, and the tabs and components, and export the UI exactly how I want it. Step 5, own the code, build locally. After design is ready, I can copy the code, bring into my local environment, start building. That best part, I have full control. I can continue editing the design in Figma, regenerate the component, adjust, keep iterating until it's perfect. Final parts, no code, all power. To me, this feels like designing with superpowers. I'm creating a fully functional, beautifully styled UI with just a few prompts and zero cost. And because I'm using tools like ChatGPT, Stitch, Figma, and they're seamlessly integrated. So if you haven't already, do a Stitch by Google, try. It's seriously impressive. And I think you will learn the way what you could build. In part 3, I will show you how I turn the design into production ready UI code and how you can deploy it in your own app or website. If this is helpful, give me a like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what tools you are exploring for no code UI design. Thanks for watching. This is Baz signing off from Baz AI channel. See you in part 3.